everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Mia. Today we're going to make some salad. Let's look at our ingredients. It all looks so good. This is what you'll need. Cabbage, aka lettuce, cheese of any kind, mushrooms if you want, cucumbers or pickles, a tomato, and some pepper. I like adding pepper. And something to mix and cut with. Let's get started. First we'll add the cheese. And now the lettuce. Now the mushroom. And let's put that cucumber in there. Now we have to cut the tomato. We need the tomato small. Let's mix. And put it all in the fridge. Now let's set the timer for an hour. It's 11 o'clock, so we set it for 12 o'clock. It's been an hour. Let's check on our salad. It looks so good. Now it looks better. Let's try some. That was so good. See you next time on Cooking with Mia. Bye!